Welcome guys to the third video in this course. In the last video we installed all the necessary things we need for the project. Now in this video we're gonna clear up our project so that we can start afresh. First of all, go to app.js. Now we're going to clear up some things in these files. First of all, I want to clear up these two imports here. Then we're going to clear up the whole header. Can save that. Okay, before we go on, let us start our server. So do npm start, put your password. Okay, so next app.css. So we want to clear, I want to delete the whole file. App test.js want to sorry, I want to delete that too. Next, index.css, so we'll be needing it, so we can delete it too. Logo.svg, we can delete that too. Service worker.js, won't be needing that too, we can delete it. Setup test.js, we can delete that too. Let's make sure I delete the right file. So I'm going to leave index.js and app.js. As you can see here, we have some errors from the console, which says no such file or directory, service worker.js, and that's because service worker.js is imported in the index and the file no longer exists, so you can clear that up. And that will be the same for index.css. Since we deleted it, you can clear that up too. Okay, and we can remove service worker from here too. Okay, so let's save that. Okay, so let's go to our browser and check it out. And localhost 3000. As you can see, we have a blank screen, and that's because there's nothing in the app.js. So let us input something. Hello world. Okay, no. As you can see, it's there. So in the next video, we're gonna start learning material UI design. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and watch out for the next video. Bye.